This small bowl of grasshopper meal contains about the same nutrition as a can of tuna, plus a slice of bread, and a tablespoon of mayo. They can actually be a very solid source of food, especially protein. Tastes like grass shrimp. This small bowl of grasshopper meal contains about the same nutrition as a can of tuna, plus a slice of bread, and a tablespoon of mayo. So that's 20 grams of protein, 10 of carbs, and 2 of fat, plus about a gram of minerals and vitamins, ash. It took me about 20 minutes to gather these grasshoppers using an inefficient method, the bug net, at least by historical perspectives, and this was a very important food source among certain American Indian tribes, especially in the Great Basin. But by those calculations, I could get enough protein for my day as a 180-pound weightlifter in about 2 hours of bug net sweeping. And I could gain my total caloric intake based off just grasshopper meal in about 4 hours of my bug net. There's some interesting historical methods of gathering grasshoppers and crickets. Some of the highest return on energy invested for calories and protein received of pretty much anything else out there. So grasshoppers can be an incredibly great food resource. They shouldn't be just considered, oh, you can eat that, isn't that cool? They can actually be a very solid source of food, especially protein, animal protein. The protein in this is about 90% digestible, so very nutritious overall, super simple to process. I just boiled these, dried them, and pounded it into a meal. But I will be making an energy bar out of these. I've got my mashed up pecans, agarita, and a little chiltepin in there to spice it up. And then I have some mesquite flour.